So you watched part 1 of the Where to Live in Dunnellon series and you're back. Good. Part 1 covered the communities of Rainbow Springs Country Club and Blue Cove, two river communities with amenities and connected lifestyles. Haven't seen it? A link is in the description, so be sure to watch that first. Today's two communities serve a completely different buyer, the Woodlands at Rainbow Springs and Rolling Hills. Let's get into it. I'm Anne-Marie Bortz, broker associate with the Kai's Company, 25 years licensed and full-time Florida real estate agent living right here in Dunnellon. And a quick reminder, Dunnellon spans Marion, Levy, and Citrus counties. This series covers Marion County, the largest portion of the market. First up, neighborhood number 3, the Woodlands. This community is part of the same property owners association as the Rainbow Springs Country Club. Homes range from the low 300s to over 600,000. The Woodlands is not Rainbow Springs Country Club, separate neighborhood, but it falls under the same property owners association. Same $236 annual property owners association fee. Same access to the clubhouse, pool, fitness center, pickleball, restaurant, and private Rainbow River Park from Part 1. Same cost, but a completely different environment. Defined by trees and mature canopy, lots start at 1 acre, giving real space between neighbors. You have privacy without isolation. Homes range from mid-1970s builds to new construction with homes with over 3,500 square feet. Prices start in the low 300s, with custom builds push into the 600,000 and beyond. The trade-offs: deed restricted, property owners association rules apply. The Woodlands is not for buyers who want zero restrictions. The appeal is quality of everyday life, not riverfront drama. People here tend to stay. Rainbow Springs Country Club sounded great but too busy? The Woodlands is that story, only quieter. Same property owners association, same river, and one of Dunnellon's best value plays. Quick pause for a moment. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Look out for part 3 of the video, which covers Juliet Falls and Rainbow Lakes Estates, two communities you do not want to miss. Subscribing makes sure it finds you. Okay, now on to our next community in this video. Neighborhood number 4, Rolling Hills, space, privacy, and freedom. There is no mandatory HOA and prices range from $300,000 to over $800,000. Rolling Hills breaks every assumption buyers bring to Dunnellon. There is no clubhouse and no private access to the Rainbow River. But you get land, freedom, and a market wider than most expect. Rolling Hills is located off the Southwest State Road 200 corridor west of Ocala. Over 5,000 parcels, each on at least 1 acre. Some parts are zoned agricultural, where you can keep chickens, goats, and horses. Homestead living is genuinely possible. However, in 2026, Rolling Hills is no longer entry-level only. Prices run from $300,000 to over $800,000 for custom homes on premium lots. Builders are putting up modern block and stucco homes on over 1 acre at prices hard to find anywhere else. Know before you visit, most of the roads in Rolling Hills are unpaved dirt. Dirt roads can cause severe vehicle wear and chronic dust accumulation. So if isn't for you, then be sure to consider the other communities in my video series. The trade-offs: no amenities, no HOA means no lot consistency. For the buyer who wants land and privacy without a social calendar, that's exactly the point of this community. Space, freedom, land, no one to answer to. So if that's your Florida, Rolling Hills belongs on your list. Living here, proximity and convenience. People hear Dunnellon and picture a remote city and area. That is not the reality. Ocala is 20 miles east, just a short 25 to 30-minute drive, with major retail, dining, and a growing downtown. Orlando and Tampa are each an hour and a half away. Gainesville, home of the University of Florida, is only 1 hour away. healthcare in the area includes HCA Florida Ocala Hospital, which is the only Level 1 trauma center serving Marion, Citrus, and Hernando counties. The World Equestrian Center, the largest equestrian complex in the United States, is about 15 miles away. The Dunnellon and Ocala area are centrally positioned in one of Florida's fastest-growing regions, at prices South and Central Florida cannot match. Which lifestyle is best for you and your family? The Woodlands with its trees, privacy and peace, or rolling hills with its land and freedom? Both built for someone who wants more than a typical subdivision. Part 3 of this video series is coming, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm Anne-Marie Bortz, and it would be my pleasure to help you and your family with your Dunnellon, Florida real estate needs. See you in Part 3.